front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, you can click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!